Good morning, my dear students. Class 18, CT point. CT. If you keep in your mind that is CT, if Z is equal to A plus IB be a complex number and Z bar is equal to A minus IB, real part as it is, change imaginary part of the sign. Z bar is this one, that is the keep in your mind, the modulus of Z is equal to, that is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square, A square plus B square, that is the modulus formula. And multiplicative inverse formula is equal to Z bar divided by modulus of Z whole square. And otherwise that is 1 by Z, both meaning same, reciprocal. And the next one, that is the polar form of a complex number, that is alpha is equal to tan inverse y by x and its modulus, tan inverse y by x and its modulus, and alpha depend upon quadrant alpha, pi minus alpha, minus of pi minus alpha, and minus alpha. Keep in your mind these points. And here tricks is there. And one by one CET, example number 1 for in your NCERT, and Sri Guru college book is there, CET textbook college book, that is here MCQ questions, complex numbers, example number 1, that is 4x plus I times of 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I times of minus 6. Here 4x plus I times of 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus I times of minus 6. Find the values of x and y. That is here equality of a complex number, equate real part, equate imaginary part. That is 4x is equal to 3. Here x value is what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Here in all options you check it. Here x value 3 by 4. Which option? That is B is the second option only. That one is the correct. Second option B. Not necessary y value, x value. Otherwise you y value find out. Next example number 2. That is x to the power 4 plus 2xi minus 3x square plus iy is equal to 3 minus 5y plus 1 plus 2iy. Equate real and imaginary parts, that is real part separate, x power 4 minus 3x square, this is the real part. Imaginary part plus I taking common, 2x minus y is the imaginary part. These are real, these are imaginary. Here also real, 3 plus 1, 4. Imaginary part, that is I taking common, first write positive, second write negative, 2y minus 5, that is the imaginary part. Equate real part. Real part is equal to real part x to the power 4 minus 3x square is equal to 4. X square common, x square minus 3 is equal to 4. Here x square is equal to 4, therefore x value is what? Plus or minus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2. In any option plus 2 minus 2 is their x value, you think it, yes, here plus 2 minus 2, A option is the x value plus 2 minus 2, y option not necessary, because if x value option is there, done. Otherwise here C, A and C compare is there. Here C, A and C compare definitely to find y value. Take imaginary part. Imaginary part is what? To find y value. Here A and C confuse it. 2x minus y is equal to 2y minus y. Equate. X value 1 plus 2, 1 minus 2 substitute. If x is equal to 2, value is what? 4 minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. That is here minus 5 take this side, 4 plus 5 9 is equal to y take right side 3y. Yes, y value is what? 3. Another one, if x is equal to 1 minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, value is what? Minus 4 minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. Value is what? 3y is equal to 1, y value 1 by 3. Y value 1 by 3. That is second one, that is the first option is the correct answer. 1 value 3, 1 value 1 by 3. Option A. Next. Next value, example number 3. Example number 3. The value of minus root of minus 1 whole to the power 4n plus 3. 4n plus 3. 4n plus 3. Do you know that root of minus 1 value is what? I. Root of minus 1 value is what? I. That is minus I as it is to the power 4n plus 3. 4n plus 3. Do you know that is this can be expressed minus I times of 4n minus I times of 3. Negative to the power even, negative to the power even always positive, negative to the power odd is always negative, negative to the power even always positive, I power 4n, here minus I cube, negative is present, I power 4 whole power n minus I cube. I power 4 is 1. I power 4 always 1. Here minus as it is. I cube value is what? Minus I. I cube value minus I. Minus minus plus. 1 to the power any number is 1. Here 1 to the power n is equal to 1. I is there. Here third one, C option, that is option C. Next, that is fourth one, x plus example number 4. Already theory complete. Fourth one, x plus iy whole to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a plus ib, x by a minus y by b is equal to. Here 1 by 3 is removed. 1 by 3 is removed. Cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. X plus iy is equal to a plus ib whole cube. This can be expressed in the form of a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus b. A cube as it is plus I cube into b cube plus I times of 3a square b plus I into I square 3ab square. Here a cube as it is, I cube value is what? Minus I, b cube plus I times of 3a square b, I square value minus 1, 3ab square. Separate real and imaginary parts. A cube minus 3ab square, real part, plus I taking common, first write positive, second write negative. Here a can written a taking common, a square minus 3b square, b taking common, 3a square minus b square. That is here equate real and imaginary parts. X is equal to a times a square minus 3b square, y is equal to b times 3a square minus b square. X by a is equal to a square minus 3b square, y by b is equal to 3a square minus b square. Substitute here x by a square minus 3b square minus 3a square plus minus plus b square minus 2 times of a square minus 2 times of b square. 2 taking common minus 2 taking common, a square plus b square. That is which option? That is second option. B is the second option. Next, example number 5. Example number 5. X plus iy 2 minus 3i is equal to 4 plus I. Find the real and imaginary parts. X into x 2x minus I times of 3x plus I times of 2i, my plus minus minus I into I square plus 3y is equal to 4 plus I. Equate real and imaginary parts. Real, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Imaginary, that is minus 3x plus 2y is equal to imaginary part 1. Solve 1 and 2. That is here multiply by opposite, multiply by opposite, multiply by 3, multiply by 2. Get cancels. 3 2s are 2 3s are 6x, 6x, positive, negative get cancel. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 9 plus 4, 13y is equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Y value is what? 14 by 13. Which option? Y value is 14 by 13. Yes, that is the correct option C. X value not necessary, Y value all are remaining different, any one. If repeat is there, next X value find out. Next example number 6. Example number 6, that is here x is equal to 2 plus 5y. This is a complex number. Then to find the corresponds x cube minus 5x square plus 33x minus 49 is equal to what? First remove imaginary part. That is, this can be written x minus 2 is equal to 5y. Square on both sides. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 5 square is what? 25. I square value is what? Minus 1. X square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to 0. This is a factor for the quadratic equation divides. That is x square minus 4x plus 29. Here x square, x cube, 1 times x. Yes, 1 times x. 1 times x, x cube minus 4x square plus 29x. Minus plus minus. Get cancel x cube. That is minus 5x square plus 4x square. That is minus x square. 33 minus 29 is what? Plus 4x minus 49 as it is. Once again, that is 1 time plus 1 times, that is x square minus 4x plus 29. Again, negative positive get cancelled, plus 4x minus 4x get cancelled, minus 49 plus 29 is what? Minus 20 is the value for that remainder. That is, you are asking the question in the form of what is equal to, value is what? That is the value for that one. If remove imaginary, then solve this method. Next, example number 7. That is x is equal to 1 plus 2y and the equal to, now here write x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 16. X cube plus 7x square minus x plus 16. X is equal to 1 plus 2y. First of all, remove imaginary. First, this can be written in the form of what? X minus 1 is equal to 2y. Square on both sides. Square it. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 2 square is 4, I square is minus 1. X square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a divisor. Divides, that is x square minus 2x plus 5. Here x square, x cube, 1 times of x is there, 1 times of x. X cube minus 2x square plus 5x. That is sign change, minus plus minus, get cancel. 7 plus 2, 9x square minus 5 minus 1 minus 6x plus 16. Next, x square is there. X square how many times? 9 times plus 9 times. 9x square. 9x square minus 18x plus 45 divided by. Here minus plus minus get cancel. 18 minus 6 12. 12x minus 45 minus 16. Here 45 is there, here 16. Difference is what? Minus here 15 minus 6 is what? 9. Here is 2, which is to 29. That is here 12x minus 29. Again x is there. If remove x, yes, this is x value is what? Substitute x value here is there. Yes, x value 12 times x value 1 plus 2i minus 29. 12 plus 24i minus 29. Minus 29 plus 12 is what? Minus 17 plus 24i is the value. Minus 17 plus 24i is the value. That is the option B, second option. Next, example number 8. Next, example number 8. X plus iy into p plus iq is equal to x square plus y square into I. Here, do you know that p value, q value is what? X plus iy into x minus iy value is what? This is a plus b, this is a minus b. This can be written a square minus b square, x square minus iy whole square. X square, that is I square value minus 1 minus minus plus y square. Yes, this is, yes, this place, write this one, that is x plus iy, p plus iq is equal to x square plus y square, can written x plus iy, x minus iy. This is a converting complex, x plus iy into x minus iy, I as it is. X plus iy, it cancel. P plus iq is equal to multiply by complex x into I minus I square into y. Xi and I square value minus plus p plus iq. Equate real and imaginary, real, imaginary. P is equal to what? Y. Q is equal to what? X. P is equal to Y. Q is equal to X. Option B. B, second option. Next, example number 9. Next, example number 9 is there. Example number 9. Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and Z2 is equal to 1 plus 2y. Z1 by Z2. is equal to what? 2 plus 3i, 1 plus 2i, division of complex, rationalize this one, that is 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus 2i is equal to denominator a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Numerator product 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 2, 4i plus 3i minus 6, 3 2 is 6, I square is equal to 1 square is 1, I square value minus 1, minus minus plus 2 square is what? 4, because I square value minus 1, 2 minus 4i plus 3i minus I square value minus 1, minus minus plus 2 plus 6, 8, 8 by 5 minus 1 by 5 times of I. That is first option. Next, example number 10, that is example number 10, 1 plus I whole square divided by 3 minus I. Real part, RP of this, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by 3 minus I square value minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled is equal to 2i divided by 3 minus I. Division of complex, rationalize this one, 3 plus I divided by 3 plus I. Whole divided by a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 2 into 3, 6i plus 2i into I, 2i square, that is here 6i, I square value minus 2 divided by 3 square, 9, I square minus 1. Here 6i minus 2 divided by 9 plus 1, 10, 10. This is 2 3s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are by 3i by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Find real part. This is real part of this. Real part is minus 1 by 5. Real part is what? Minus 1 by 5. That is D option. D. Real part is minus 1 by 5. Next, example number 11. Example number 11 is 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I whole square. This can be written 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I. Division of complex, rationalize this one, 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I. This is a square as it is. Numerator a minus b, a minus b, a minus b whole square, 1 minus I whole square, that is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus I square, whole to the power 2. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 1 plus 1 whole square. I square value minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, that is minus 2i by 2 whole square, 2 to get cancelled. Here negative square always positive, negative square always positive, remaining I square value is what? Minus 1. Negative square always positive, I square value minus 1. Next, example number 12. Example number 12, that is 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus root 2i. A plus IB form, that is a division of complex. Rationalize this one. 1 plus root 2i divided by 1 plus root 2i. That is denominator a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Numerator, product of numerator complex, 5 into 1 5 plus 5 times of root 2 5 root 2i plus root 2i plus root 2 square, I into I square is equal to denominator 1 square is 1, square and root get cancelled. I square value minus 1 minus plus 2. 5, that is 5 plus 5 times plus 1 times. Listen carefully. 5 times of root 2, 1 times of root 2. Total 6 times of root 2i. Square and root get cancelled. This minus here is there. Minus 2. 5 minus 2 real part, 5 minus 2 3 plus 6 times of root 2i divided by 1 plus 2 is what? 3. This can be written 1 plus 3 ones are 3 twos are I times of 2 root 2. I times of 2 root 2. 1 plus 2 root I, that is third option. Next, 13 is example number 13, that is minus 5y into 1 by 8 times of I. That is here minus keep as it is, 5 by 8 keep as it is, that is I into I. I into I is what? I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus plus 5 by 8. Plus 5 by 8. Example number 13, that is option number here D. 5 by 8, imaginary part is 0. Imaginary part is what? 0. Next, 14, example number 14. Next, example number 14, that is minus I 2y minus 1 by 8 times of I whole cube. That is, here simplify this one, minus I as it is, 2y as it is, negative to the power 3, odd, definitely negative, minus I cube divided by 8 cube. 8 into 8 into 8, that is 8, 8, 8 is there, 64, 8, 512, that is here is equal to minus, 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 understood? Minus, minus, plus, I into I into I square as it is, this is 2 as it is, this is I cube as it is, divided by 8 cube. 8 cube is what? 5, 1, 2. 2 ones are 256. That is I square value minus 1. I cube value minus I. 256. Minus minus plus. I by 256. Your real part is what? 0. I by 256. That is fourth option D. Any doubt? Here minus minus plus. I into I square. I cube as it is. I square value minus 1. I cube value minus I. 2 ones are 256. Next, example number 15. Example number 15, that is example number 15. 5 minus 3i whole cube. 5 minus 3i whole cube is there. Do you know that a minus b whole cube formula, that is a minus b whole cube formula is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the formula. That is, here apply this one. 5 cube minus 3i cube minus 3, a is 5, b is 3i, that is 5 minus 3i. 5 cube is what? 125. 5 cube is 125. Here 3 power 3 is what? 27. I cube minus that is 3 5s are 15. 15 into 3, 40. 5 times of I. 5 minus 3i. 125. That is I cube value is what? Minus I. Minus minus plus 27i minus 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25 equal to 22. 225 times of I minus minus plus 45 into 3. 15 13 135 I into I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. 125 plus 27i minus 225i minus 135. Separate real and imaginary parts. Minus 10 minus 198i. Minus 10 minus 198i, option B. Second option. 15. Next, example number 16. Next, example number 16. Here, that is, I will write x equal to minus 2 minus root 3i and expansion 2x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 41. Check it. 2x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 41. X is equal to minus 2 minus root 3i. First, remove imaginary. Take left. X plus 2 is equal to minus root 3 times of I. Square on both sides. Square on both sides. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Negative square always positive. Root 3 square and I square value minus 1. X to the power x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to square and root get cancelled. I square value minus 1. X square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is a factor. Devise x square plus 4x plus 7 times x to the power 4, x to the power 4, 2 extra, that is 2x square, 2x square, x square, 2 times of x to the power 4, 2 into 4, 8, x cube, 2 into 7, 14, x square, minus, get, cancel, 5 minus 8, minus 3x cube, minus 7x square, minus x plus 41 remaining as it is. Next, x square, x cube, yes, plus 3x, 3x x square, 3x cube, plus 12x square, plus 21x, plus 21x. Simplify, positive negative get cancelled. 12 minus 7 is what? 5 x square plus 21 minus 20 plus 20x plus 41. Here x square 5 plus 5 times plus 5 times 5x square plus 20x plus 35. Here remainder is what? Minus, get, cancel. 41 minus 35 is what? 6. That is the 6 is the value. Here option C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. That is the divisor. Here x is equal to minus 2 minus root 3 I is there. If remove I, imaginary is removed. Imaginary is removed, minus 2 take left, square on both sides. If keep as it is, if square on both sides, again present I. That's the reason separate for imaginary part. Yes, separate for imaginary, square on both sides. We will get the factor or quadratic equation divides. That the remainder is the answer. Next, example number 17. Example number 17. That is I power 4n plus 1 minus I power 4n minus 1 divided by 2. Here I power 4n plus 1 can written same base, power should be added I power 1. Separate for the powers. This can be written I power 4 whole power n into I. I power 4 is always 1 into I. 1 to the power any number is 1, that is I. Here again same in the form of what? I power 4n minus 1 can written same base, power should be separate, that is I power minus 1. I power 4 whole to the power n. Here I power minus 1 can written 1 by I. This is always 1. 1 to the power n number 1. 1 by I is what? Minus I. Because note, 1 by plus I is what? Minus I. 1 by minus I is what? Plus I is there. This can be written, this is I here, minus of, that is second one is what? Minus I divided by 2. Minus minus plus. I plus I is what? 2I. 2I by 2 is what? I. That is first option. First option is the get the answer. Next, example number 18. Example number 18. That is 1 plus I whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus I whole power 2n. That is divided by 1 minus I whole power 2n on both sides. 1 plus I whole power 2n divided by 1 minus I whole power 2n is equal to 1. Do you know that a power m divided by b power m can written a by b whole power m. This is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole power 2n is equal to 1. That is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. Rationalize this function. 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. This can be expressed a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square minus b square, that is 2, get cancelled. 2I by 2 value is what? I. This value is what? I. This value is what? I. Here I power 2n is equal to 1. I power 2n is equal to 1. This side is complex, that side is real. Convert complex. Here I power 2n is equal to, this exists 1. 1 can return I power 4. I power 4 is what? 1. Same base power should be added. A power x is equal to a power y. X is equal to y. 2n is equal to 4. N value is what? 2. That is convert. This is a complex. This is a real. Convert complex. I power 4 is what? 1. Same base powers are equal. That is the answer. N equal to 2 is 18th one. Which option? That is the second option. B is the second option. This is also okay. CET remaining 19 onwards. I will continue to the next class. Thank you.